The Society of Motor Manufacturers and Traders, or SMMT, is really worried because the UK and the European Union have some tough decisions to make about electric cars. Here's the deal. In the wake of Brexit, the UK and the EU need to decide on new rules about how cars are made to avoid extra charges called tariffs. These rules are super important because they decide how much of a car must be made locally to not have extra fees. Now, why is this a big deal, you ask? Well, if they don't figure it out, electric cars could become a lot more expensive. We're talking about an extra $3,400 for electric cars coming to the UK from Europe, and $3,600 for those going the other way. As if electric cars weren't already expensive enough. Trade between the UK and EU has been doing really well. In fact, it doubled in just 3 years, reaching a whopping 15.3 billion. This trade boom has helped the UK's car business bounce back, and it might hit over 100 billion by the end of 2023. But there's a huge speed bump ahead. New rules kicking in soon could pump the brakes on this growth, making electric cars way pricier and less attractive for buyers. The rules could actually encourage people to buy petrol and diesel cars instead, because they wouldn't have these extra costs. This is happening while the UK has set ambitious targets. By 2030, they want 8 out of 10 new cars to be emission-free. But if electric cars are too pricey, EV sales could stall. So, what's the fix? The SMMT is asking for more time, 3 years, actually. This would give everyone breathing room to sort things out, like building local factories for car batteries.
Brown car guy.
Hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, please hit the like button and share this video as well if you can. And while you're at it, check out these guys who also sponsor my content. I am deeply grateful to them because it helps me to buy new equipment, put fuel in the cars, and yes, buy a cup of coffee. You can do the same. Just go here or right here on YouTube. Just hit these 3 little dots down here and click on thanks. Make sure you're signed in first. My content is free, but this is how you can help me keep it that way. I may even send you a gift. Oh, by the way, watch this next.